In this video, I'll guide you through how to check your Gmail storage space so you always know how much room you have left for emails and attachments. Understanding your storage usage is really helpful if your inbox is getting full or if you're thinking about cleaning things up before you run into any limits. Let's start from the very beginning so nothing is confusing. First, open Gmail. You can do this on a computer using a web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Go to the Gmail website, and if you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account. Once you're signed in, you should see your main inbox with your list of emails in the center of the screen. You don't need to click into any specific folder or setting for this. Just make sure you're looking at your main inbox view. The storage information we're looking for is actually built right into this page. It's just not immediately obvious because it's all the way at the bottom. Now, with your inbox open, scroll down to the very bottom of your email list. You can use your mouse wheel, your trackpad, or the scroll bar on the right side of the window. Keep scrolling until you can't go any further and you reach the end of your current page of messages. Once you're at the bottom of the inbox, look carefully below your last visible email. You should see a small line of text that includes a storage bar. This is your Gmail storage usage bar. It usually shows something like how many gigabytes you're currently using out of your total available space, along with a colored bar that visually represents that usage. This storage bar is really important because Gmail storage is shared with other Google services under the same account like Google Drive and Google Photos. So even if you don't have many emails, large files or photos stored elsewhere in your account might still fill up your total space. That's why this bar gives you a quick overall picture of where you stand. Take a moment to read the numbers carefully. If you see that you're getting close to your total limit, it might be a good idea to start planning some cleanup. For example, you could delete old emails with large attachments, empty your spam and trash folders, or move big files out of Google Drive if you don't need them anymore. You don't have to do that right now, but keeping an eye on this bar helps you avoid surprises like messages bouncing because your storage is full. If your bar is mostly empty, that's great. It means you have plenty of room left and don't need to worry too much about running out of space anytime soon. Still, it's a good habit to check this every now and then, especially if you receive a lot of large files or you use your Google account heavily across different services. So to recap in simple terms, you open Gmail, scroll all the way down to the bottom of your inbox and look for the storage usage bar that shows how much space you've used and how much is available. That's all there is to it.